Today's video is regarding Canon PIXMA TR4527 printer, unboxing and setup process, and a quick test. Now we are going to set up this. So we are not going to connect it with any device, so just press the cancel button, or we also call it a stop button, this red button, and now go to the screen and you can see it says select the connection. So we have to do not connect option is there, so just click yes on that. Just select the yes. Now we can use this printer to copy and scan. Now I'm going to give a short test for how to copy single page one side and how to copy on both sides of a page. So press copy button. When you place it on the top feeder, you will see it automatically takes it in and it makes a copy exactly same like that. Now to do a two-sided copy, go to the setting option. You can press this button. Now in setup, we scroll to the next options and look for the option until you reach to the final option, that is eco settings, and in eco settings press OK, and you can see two-sided print settings, so press on that, press OK, and you can see two-sided setting copy, so press OK on that. If you go ahead, it would be for fax and other things, so we just only need for copy. Press OK and make it on. So it was already on, so I have switched off it, and now I'm going to click it on, and now we insert the two pages on the top. You can see it's a test page 1 and other one is the test page 2, and now you will, once you press the copy button, you will see it will copy both these pages on a single page. So you will see how it works. Automatically it will print one side and then it will take this page back and it will print on the other side, so that it's like printing on both sides. Thanks for watching.